Hello friend, today we will learn about RC circuit with capacitor and more than one resistor. So friend, here you can see the circuit. There is one battery with EMF E, resistor R1, R2 and R3 and one capacitor C. Now suppose the switch of the circuit has been open for a long time, so the capacitor is fully discharged. Then the switch is closed. Now we have following cases. First, how much current is supplied by the battery right after the switch is closed? How much current is supplied by the battery a long time later? And how much charge will accumulate on the capacitor? So friend, now we are going to solve our first problem, current supplied by the battery right after the switch is closed. So friend, as we know, circuit has been open for a long time, so capacitor is completely discharged. Now when we close the switch at time t is equal to 0 second, capacitor conduct fully. Maximum charge passes through the capacitor, and initially at time t is equal to 0 second there is no charge and hence there is no voltage on capacitor. So we can ignore capacitor in the circuit. Now in absence of capacitor, resistor R2 and R3 are in parallel connection. So parallel resistance of R2 and R3 given by R dash, which is 1 upon R dash is equal to 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Here you can see now R dash is equal to R2 R3 upon R2 plus R3. Now friend, you can see that resistor R1 and R dash are in series connection. Here R dash is a parallel resistance of R2 and R3. So this resistance and R1 both are in series connection. So total resistance of circuit at time t is equal to 0 second given by R0 is equal to R dash plus R1. Here we have the value of R dash is equal to R2 R3 upon R2 plus R3 plus R1. Now we are going to calculate current supplied by the battery. So using Ohm law we will get I0 is equal to E upon R0. Here R0 is a total resistance of circuit at time t is equal to 0 second, and we will get current supplied by the battery just after switch is closed. Now we are going to solve our second problem, current supplied by the battery long time later. So friend, as we know, initially maximum current passes through the capacitor and hence capacitor charge gradually with time, and after long time capacitor fully charged at time t is equal to infinite second. When capacitor get fully charged, no current flows through the capacitor and hence no current flows through the last branch of the circuit, this branch. Now there is no current in this branch, last branch containing resistor R3 and capacitor, so we can ignore this branch in the circuit. So now in absence of this branch, current passes through only resistor R1 and R2. So here R1 and R2 are in series connection. So now at time t is equal to infinite second, total resistance of circuit given by R infinity is equal to R1 plus R2. Now friend, we will calculate current supplied by the battery using Ohm law. So current supplied by the battery is I infinity, which is calculated by I infinity is equal to E upon R infinity. Putting the value of R infinity, we will get current supplied by the battery a long time later, which is E upon R1 plus R2. Okay. Now we will solve our next problem. Charge accumulate on capacitor. So friend, as we know, after long time capacitor get fully charged and maximum charge accumulate on capacitor. Now we have formula of charge on capacitor. Q is equal to C into V. Here Q is a charge of a capacitor, C is a capacitance of capacitor, and V is a potential drop across capacitor. So friend, here V is a potential drop of capacitor or potential drop across the capacitor, which is given by potential drop of resistor R2. As we know, after a long time current passes through only resistor R1 and R2. So potential drop across R2 is given by V, and V is equal to I infinity multiplied by R2. Here I infinity is a current passes through resistor R2 and R2 is a resistance. So this is the voltage drop of R2, which is voltage across capacitor. So friend, here value of I infinity is a E upon R1 plus R2 multiplied by R2. So this is the total voltage across the capacitor. Now putting this voltage in the equation of charge, we will get charge on a capacitor or charge accumulated on capacitor. So charge accumulated on capacitor Q is equal to C multiplied by value of voltage V is equal to E upon R1 plus R2 multiplied by R2. So here we have calculated the value of charge accumulated on capacitor. So thank you friend for visiting my lecture, and if you like my lecture, please subscribe my channel. Here there is a complete solution of this problem. If you have any query, please comment in comment section.